Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world Romanian cord crochet, and we're going to explore the endless versatility, and I will explain to you how to crochet a Romanian cord. If you're ready to unleash your creativity, let's get started. What you see in front of you are Romanian cord crochet. It is a technique that creates a sturdy tubular cord using a simple crochet stitch. Resulting cord can be used in a variety of ways, and that's what makes it so awesome. You can use different sizes yarn and any type of cord. This one I made from macrame cord. Look how sturdy it is. It's not even stretchy. This one I made from yarn. It is a little bit more stretchy, but it's still sturdy. Also, you can use smaller yarn. One of the coolest things about Romanian cord crochet is that you can use it with a wide variety of projects, from practical items to decorative pieces. The possibilities are endless. Now let's jump into some project ideas to get your creative juices flowing. You can create stylish accessories like necklaces and bracelets using Romanian cord. Mix and match colors and add beads or charms for extra flair. Say goodbye to the flimsy bag straps. Crochet sturdy Romanian cord straps to reinforce your handbags or tote bags. They'll be both functional and fashionable. Add a touch of bohemian charm to your space by crocheting Romanian cord plant hangers. They're perfect for displaying your favorite greenery. Personalize your keys with custom-made Romanian cord keychains. They're quick and easy to whip up, and you can add fun embellishments like tassels or pom-poms. Crochet Romanian cord lanyard to hold keys, ID badges, or small pouches. Customize the length and add clasps for convenience. You can create any size length leash for cats or dogs. Now it's time to learn how to make these crocheted Romanian cords. We're going to start off with this yarn. This yarn is 100% polyester. It's a weight size 6, and also it requires a 9mm crochet. It's important that your stitches are loose. Instead of using a 9mm crochet, I'm going to use a 10mm crochet just to make sure it's loose enough and I don't have any issues when I crochet the cord. We're going to start with our slip knot. Two chains, yarn over into the loop, yarn over into the loop, and into the second chain or the second loop. Right here we're going to do a single crochet into the loop only, yarn over into the first loop, yarn over, pull through all the loops. If you notice on the right side there is this loop. This is the loop that you're going to be doing a single crochet. This is your stitch and this is the loop. So you turn and you see this loop, and that's what you're going to use to do your single crochet in. Yarn over into the first loop, yarn over into the last two. Now, if you notice, now there are two loops here. So you're going to be going into these two loops. Keep an eye on the two loops. You crochet into these two loops. Use your fingers if you have some trouble. And then yarn over through the two loops. Yarn over through two loops again, and try to keep your work loose so that you don't have too much of a tightness that will cause you not to be able to go through the loops. So again, here are both of the loops you're going to be going through. I'm just going to pick them up with my fingers. I'm going to help myself out on to the crochet hook. Look, there's two. 1, 2. Yarn over into the first two loops, yarn over, pull through the last two. And then again, you have both loops right here. You turn, you see them both, 1, 2, grab them and place it onto your hook like this. So you've got 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you continue like this. Turn. Here are both of your loops onto the crochet hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Here again, we've got 2. Onto the crochet hook. Here's our 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, turn, find your 2 loops right here. Yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, and turn. And the more you do this, the faster you're going to get. Yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2. And you continue like this until you get the length that you need, the length that you want. And this is using the same yarn. And also using a more cord of a yarn. This is a cord, this is a macrame cord. I like this. I like this texture. I don't know if you can see. And also it's less stretchy. It's more durable. Yarn one is more, there's more stretch to it. It depends what you're doing. And here you have it. This is how you crochet the Romanian cord. Whether you're a seasoned crocheter or just starting out, this technique is sure to inspire your next projects. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.